Hello everyone, this is going to be a video of a wireless door chime. This is going to be general notification technology for fire alarm test 13, since I don't have any more fire alarms to test right now because I ran out of the ones that I tested. I'm still trying to replace my P2R that I tested back in fire alarm test 8 since it broke. Well, I'm not too worried about it. I'm still going to replace it. So here we go. This is going to be a video of the wireless door chime ever invented. And normally you would find this type of door chime in homes or offices or hotel rooms or wherever you would find these. These are really cool wireless door chimes, and these do take batteries. And you notice in my room, you notice this in the background in my room all these years, and you guys thought it was broken, but I thought of the same thing, but it was not. It still works. This, I have the button mounted on the wall outside the door. You go through Joseph's room, and it leads to my apartment. This button is right here for pushing the doorbell. It's wireless. This used to be outside that you saw before, but it was horizontally, but I put it vertically instead, so it looks normal, like the normal standard doorbell. So anyways, let's explain something about this device. Normally, a lot of wireless door chimes do have a red light, indicated by this red LED at the top. Normally you would see that flashing if you hear the door chime ring. This is basically a chime box, but it's also a wireless door chime, but this is a doorbell. And the sound usually comes out of that chime speaker right there. It looks like a tic-tac-toe board almost, but when you look at it from a certain distance, it kind of looks like a sun. It's any kind of way you would look at it from a certain distance. Looks like squares stacking up on top of each other. But here's the chime speaker. And here's the logo down here. Pretty cool. Now let's flip it over to the back. Normally how you mount this does not come with a mounting bracket, but here's your mounting holes right here where you put your screws into the wall. When you put your screws into the wall, you put the screws in the big holes and you slide it down. It's kind of like this. Remind you like this is on the wall. This would be normally installed in homes or offices or hotel rooms. And notice by that LED up there, it would be flashing if the doorbell was ringing. But right now, here's the on and off switch, but I have it flipped off because we'll test it in a minute. Here's the label right there. Pause your video if you want to read that. There is no model number whatsoever. It's FC with FCC standards. Tested to comply, made in China, and this thing takes 2 AA batteries. I noticed you mentioned this in my room all these years. You guys thought it was broken, but it was not, and it still works. So I would figured it would be about the time to hear it, guys. Ready? I think it's time we hear it. Now let's flip it to on, and the LED will flash. That means the signal will load to connect to the doorbell. Here we go. Ready? Let's flip the switch to on. Here we go. There it is blinking. When I push the button, it'll load and connect. Here it goes. You guys ready? Here we go. Sounds like the chime, like the standard chime boxes. That LED flashed when it ringed. Let's do it again. Here we go. And normally you would see that LED in the dark. And basically in a dark room, that's what the LED is for. The red LED light. Now let's try it in the dark. Yeah. Turn off the bathroom lights too. There we go. Good enough. Now let's try it. Let's ring it one last time. Pretty cool, guys. Nice wireless door chime that I ever tested in one of my videos. Alright, now let's turn it off. I had this installed in my bedroom yesterday, and it still works fine. After all these 4 years we had this, and it still works. And I'll show you a video. I'll make another video of this when I mount it back on the wall someday. I'm gonna go, when I'm done making this video, I'm gonna go put this back on the wall, and I'll show you where it is in my next video when I make another video of this thing. Well, this is gonna be fire alarm test 13. I hope you liked it. Guys, my last fire alarm test, when I tested my classic ceiling mount in white, well, this is a pretty cool door chime that I ever tested in one of my videos. In all these years, you'd never be able to hear it, and now you guys heard it. So there you go. I hope you like the door chime, and I hope you like this video. And Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Take care. That door chime sounded beautiful. I love the chime. Thank you so much.